Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, today this is the eighth module of basic concept. Before we did in class 7 also decimals. So it is also decimals. Now don't confuse, that is for class 7, it is for all the classes 6 to 10. Now tell me what is decimals. Yes, a point on my face, it is a decimal? No, it is not a decimal. Okay, fine. There will be whole number part and decimal part. Whole number part plus fraction. Okay, fine. Now listen you can see the screen, basic concept. You can see the screen, I think so. Yes. Green screen. You can see in the red color that note. Decimal is a fraction. We denominated 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. Oh God. Decimal is a fraction. We study fraction. We denominated 10, 100, 10,000 like this. Here are some examples. 1 by 10. 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Listen here. 1 by 10. 1 0 is the 0.1. We can read this one 0.1. You study how can we read? 7 by 100. 2 zeros are there. So you had to put 2 decimal place. What is the decimal place of 7? No, decimal is here. You are moving here. That means we need 2 decimal place. Put the 0 here. 2 decimal places are there because of the 100, 0.07. Now listen here, 123, 1234 by 1000 suppose. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So you had to count 1, 2, 3. So 1.234. 1.234. We can read this one 1.234. Don't read 1.234. No. 1.234. We know this is 4. That means this is not ones. You can say this is ones here. You can see here also decimal numbers. Whole number part plus decimal part, that is called decimal number, or whole number part plus fraction. So 1, here 1, this one. Here I can say 1 is 1 plus 2 by 10, that means 2, this is tens. You study that. No 10, this is tens. Here it is 110, like that only. The number name here we can see decimal part is that side, and this part is the place value of the whole number part. Here 2 by 10, another one 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. That is 1.234. Expanded form of 1.234 is 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. You know very well that suppose here how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places, not 1 decimal place. After the decimal, how many places are 27.27? Don't read this one 27.27. You can read this one 27.27. Okay, listen me. Dear children, please listen me. Now here 2 decimal place. 12.4567. Tell me how many decimal places here. Here, this is the decimal, 4 decimal place. So after the decimal you can see. If you are writing a number 3, 4, 5, you know very well that is this one, 5, 1, 4 tens, and 3 hundreds. This is 1. 1 tens, 100. That means 310, 300 means this is 300, 3 into 100 plus 40 plus 5. Exactly 345 means 300 plus 40 plus 5. Now suppose I am writing here 345.67. What is this? This is the decimal number. Here the whole number for 345 you can see. After that 67 means we can see it is not 6 tens. After that the decimal tens. Be careful, this is tens. You can see this is what I told you, tens means 1 by 10. This is 1 out of 10. Tens. 1 out of 10. Then this is 7. No. This is 7 by 10. That means 7 into 1 by 100. This is 100 place. This place is called 100th place. Hundreds. What is not 100? Hundreds. See the spelling, hundreds place. Here hundreds. 10. Here hundreds. Then thousands. Here ones, tens, hundred. Here no confusion. One, tens, hundreds. But here hundreds. Can you see? HUNDREDH, hundreds. It is not new for you. Study this one. That means place value whenever you are moving from LHS to RH. This is the number line. Can you see the number line? On this number line, I can, this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It is going on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You know the number line. This is integers. It is not my concept. We study many decimals are there between 0 and 1. Many fractions are there between 0 and 1. Now listen here. Fraction, part by whole. So what is decimal? Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000. Be careful about the definition. Be sharp. Denominator must be 10, 100, like that. So what I am doing, I am taking from here. You know that between this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2. Here between 0 and 1 you can see half. It is a fraction. Half, you are a fraction. You are a decimal, I am talking now. 0 is there, between 0 and 1, no integers. Between 0 and 1, no integers are there. But many fractions. Correct or not? Many fractions. Half. Now I am telling half is a decimal. Dear children, half is a decimal because half means we can say we have to make the denominator 10 or 100. I can make it 10. How? 2 5s are 10, 1 5. Half is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 0.5. Am I right or not? Yes, sir. 5 by 10 means 0.5. 5 means 5.0 and 5 by 10 means 0.5. So I can write here 0.5. Are you following or not? Let me change the color. Listen. 0.5 I got. Here I can say I am cutting this one 10 parts. I cut this one half. Then what happened here? 4 parts. Again I need 10 parts means I can cut it again. Again 10 parts. Here you can see. Look here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts I want to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. This is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is 10 parts. I cut this one 10 parts. Listen here. This is the cake 0 to 1. This is one cake, one full cake. I cut into 10 parts. Here you can see 1 by 10. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are you doing? 1 by 10 I want, sir. 1 by 10. Okay, fine, you can eat. That is 1 by 10, 0.1. This is 0.1. 0.1, this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Understand? So half, where is the half of the cake? You can see half. You know half is 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the half of the cake. That means we study this 5 out of 10. That means we know this is half. 5 out of 10 means 0.5. See the decimal. 5 by 10 is a decimal. What I did, half means I made the denominator 10. That means I cut the cake 10 parts. 1 out of 10 means 1 by 10. That means 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Don't write the 0.1. Then I see 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. That is half of the cake. 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This is what is this? Here, what I can say, 9 by 10. This is 10 by 10. That is the full cake. We cut the cake in 10 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 10 part. 10 out of 10 means full cake. 10 by 10 is not a decimal. That is 1. It is not a fraction. That is one cake only. One chocolate, one apple, one orange. You can slice the orange into 12 pieces or 10 pieces. 10 pieces. You are eating one slice of the apple. The people that you can peel that and eat one, that is 1 by 10. Or you can say your mother or father or your sister, 0.1, please give me. Understand? Today from home, all of you please take an orange. That is good for health, vitamin C, I think so. So you can peel it, then you can, the slice is that, you can take out one, eat to mother. Don't eat, that is 0.1. And give me 2 pieces, 2 by 10, that is 0.2. Tell your sister, small sister, this is 0.3, don't take, she will wonder, what is this? That is 3 out of 10, okay, fine. Now, what I am telling here, this is decimal. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10. Now tell me, suppose 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Yes, sir, you told me you had to make the denominator 100. Can you make 4? Can you make 10? No, not possible. 4 2s are 8. 12 is coming. In 4 table, 4 multiple, not 10 is there. We can say 100, 10 or 100 or 1000. So how many times we have to make? I want to multiply this 3 by 4. Denominator, I need 100. So what to do? Which number you have to multiply? Anybody? Yes. 4 into what number? Don't look the numerator. I told you in a fraction, denominator is very important. So look the denominator. So mother is cutting the mango. How many pieces? 1, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 10 pieces, 100 pieces. No, it is very, very small. I don't want that. Now 4. Yes, 100 divided by 4. You want make it 100? 100 divided by 4. Exactly, exactly. All of you clap for her. Good, 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 good. Clap. Clap. 3 times or not more than that. 10, 2. Here. How many times here? 8. Then 1 is the 5. 25. 4s are 100. Yes, 25. Double of that 50. Double of 50, 100. That is mental math. That means 25 fours into 25. That means 75. 325, 75 by 100. So 3 by 4 means 0.75. That is correct. We know that is 3 by 4 means mukkal nilabari. Adi point 0.75. 0.75. Yes. Half means 0.5. 5 by 10. This is 75 by 100. It is correct? Yes. Suppose here 7 by, what you want, 7 by 25. 7 by 25. How can we make this one 7 by 25? Same method you can follow. Yes, what I told. make the denominator 100, 1000, like that. I can make this 100, I think so. 25 into 100, no. 100 divided by 25, that is 4. Into 4, so into 4. 7 fours are 28 by 100. So what is this? 0.28. 0.28 means 28 by 100. This is your fraction. This is your decimal. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100,000. I think it is clear. Fraction to decimal. Decimal to fraction. There is an easy method for that. Look here, 3 by 4. You want to make this into, no, decimal? Yes, you can divide. You can make this one. We studied 4 into 25. 25. That means 75 by 100. 0.75. This is the decimal. 0.75. We did this one. 0.75. Understood? This is decimal. Decimal means denominator we are looking. It is a fraction. All operation we can do like fraction, like decimal, like the many things. Now, any doubt you can ask me. Decimal has decimal whole number part, and decimal part. Whole number part plus decimal part. That means fraction part. Whole number, whole number part. 3 is an whole number. Yes, 3.5. No problem. It is a decimal we can say. This is 3.5 means 3, 1 by 4. I don't say 3 by 2. 3, 1 by 3 plus. This is 3 plus mixed fraction we studied. 3 plus half. That means 3 plus half. We know that half, that is equal to, we study now, into 5 into 5. That means 3 plus 5 by 10. 3 plus 5 by 10. What is 5 by 10? 0.5. That means this is 3 plus 0.5. 0.5. That is 3.5. It is exactly correct. 3.5. 3.5. That means 3.5. 3.5. Don't do 3.5 like this. 2. Like that we can do 3 plus 3 by 2. It is not 3 by 2. It is not 3 into 2 by 1 by 2. It is 3 plus half. Mixed fraction. We studied very clearly mixed fraction means whole number part plus proper fraction. Like that. Decimal means whole number part plus decimal part. Decimal part means fraction. But denominator we have to make 10, 100 like this. Everything we can do very fast. 7, 1 by 4. Now listen here. 7, 1 by 4. 7, 1 by 4. Immediately 7 plus 1 by 4. Yes? That means 7 plus 1 by 4 you are doing. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 means just now we studied 1 by 4 into 25 into 25 times 25. This is 25 by 100. That is correct. Is Kalinamana Sambhale 1 by 4. E Kalala, Putala, 1 by 4. In Malayalam, I am talking about. 7 plus 25 by 100 means 0.25. That means 0.25. The answer is 7.25. Don't write the 0. 0, nobody is there. That is why we put the 0. Don't put any other number. So 70, no, don't put that. 7.25. So here, this is a whole number part 7 and decimal part 2.25. You have to read 7.25. Don't read that 7.25. 7.25. So tell me, what is this? 19. Don't write 19. Common mistake you are making. 19, no, 19, N is there. Don't eat E. 19.19, no. 19 point, don't put the 19.19. 19.19. Correct or not? Don't read 19.19. You study this one, I know. 19.19. Now listen here. My question is, third page I am to you. 17. Where is the decimal? Can you see the decimal? 11. Where is the decimal? 4. Where is the decimal? 123. Where is the decimal? No decimal. No. Decimal is there. Every number decimal is there. I told you decimal. Sir, what is the decimal? Ah, yes, very good, very good, very good. 17.0, 123.0, 4.0, 11.0. Now decimal is there every number. Now listen here. This is decimal, but don't think that you see 4 is equal to 4 by 1, we can say. Can I write this one 0.4? No, 4 is 4 chocolate only. What is the difference of 0.4 and 4? Yes, sir. Okay, 4. 4. 0.44. You are cutting the chocolate 1, 2, 3. That means you are eating it. Yes. This is 1 by 4. Again 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Yes. 0.4. What is 0.4? 4 by, okay, this is 1 by 4 you are talking about. So you have to make these 10 pieces, right? Then already 4, 8, 10 pieces you have to make. And you have to cut these 10 pieces. Then 0.4 means, I am talking about 0.4. We can write 4 by 10. Now here, not 1 by 4. This is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. 10 I am cutting this chocolate. 10, 10, 10 is there. Suppose 10 is there. 1 by 10. Again 1 by 10. Again 1 by 10. Again 1 by 10. See 1, 2, 3, 4. I can say 1 by 10 I am eating. Again 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. This is 4 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cut the chocolate into 10 parts and I am eating 4 parts. That is 4 by 10. That is 0.4. All of you please listen here. The difference between 4 and 0.4, 0.4. 4 by 10 is 0.4. Now, 4 is there, then suppose 0.4 is there. Which is greater? Sir, it is very clear, it is 4 is greater. Don't confuse the greater and smaller, greater than, less than. 4 is greater. 4 chocolate. Here, you are taking 1 chocolate and cutting 10 pieces and I am eating 4 pieces, 4 by 10. Less than, greater than, don't confuse. Listen here. Remember, I told you about the fish. Fish is similar to me. Look here. This is my fish, favorite fish, golden fish, whatever is it. Can you see less than the? Here, we can see. Here is the mouth of the fish. Here. Here you can see greater than. Here you can see less than. Don't. Or crocodile mouth. You studied in class KG, it is, or class 1 it is. It is greater. Can you see greater than sign? It will. You will go inside. The whale is the. You will go. This is the fish. Here you can see less than sign. You see, listen. Can you see the less than sign and greater than sign? Yes, this is greater than. This is less than. There is no confusion. Let the golden fish to seem to you. Don't confuse. 8 greater than minus 8. But without number, how can you decide? X. What is this? X less than Y. We can say S less than Y. No need of numbers, 8 or something like that. We can see this is less than sign. Now I can say that is exactly same. Y greater than X. S less than Y means Y greater than X. Sometimes you can see A less than or equal to B less than C. Sometimes you can see or equal to, equal to. Maybe A is equal to B also. Less than or equal to or less than or equal to C. A, B, C. A is between A and B like that, greater than or equal to. So we can see the numbers like that, A, B, C. Equal to, greater than, less than, it is there. So normally in algebra we are doing like this. Okay? Less than, it is less than, it is greater than. I think, don't confuse this. Already we studied our fishes. Abdullah sir is golden fish is swimming like this. See, here is the greater than, the mouth is, you are going inside, or the food is going inside. Okay, shark or whale. This is the, that is the tail of the fish, that is less than, you can see. Less than, greater than, less than. Remember, if you draw the last page of the book, this fish, golden fish. Don't catch the fish and eat. Don't make fry. Don't fry it. Okay? Karivakkale fish na pudichittu. That is my golden fish. Now listen here. What I am talking, I don't want any confusion about the decimal. That means 0.3 means, you know that. Now tell me what is 10.04. Here one decimal, 3 by 10. All of you write this one. 10.04. 1004 divided by 100. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decimal is here. What is that? 12.345. That is wrong. 12.345. Yes, exactly. You can write this one. 12.3. Write like this. 3, 4, 5. Listen here. 4, 4, 4. How can you read this one? How many decimal place? 3 decimal place. Be careful about the spelling. Here, starting big letter, whenever you are writing, what I can say, the number name, like English, starting big letter. Now tell me what is the spelling of 14.444. 14. 14.14. Tell me what is the spelling of 14.444. 14 word this one. 14 point 14.4 here F for you are 444. 100. Don't confuse. 100, that means 100. 444. 14. What is the spelling of 14? F for you are teen. 14. F for you are 44. 40 spelling different. 14. See, look here, all of you. 14 point. Next page, please. Suppose 45. So the 14, F-O-U-R-T-T-N, 14. Point, be careful, point, 14 point. 400. 400. 40. See the spelling 40. 4. So 40. 45. 440. It is 45, not 4. This is the way we had to write. 14. Be the careful of the spelling. 14. Teen words. 14.445. This is the way you have to write the decimal. You know the teen words in maths. Class 2, class 1 you studied. 13, 14, 15. 16 up to 19. These are the teen words. Tell me how many digits are in mass? Okay, fine. There are only 10 digits. How many numbers? Many numbers. Numbers are formed by digits. Maybe repeating something doesn't matter. Many numbers are there. Okay, fine. You are remembering this one. 13, 14, teen words. Anyway, what I want to tell this one, how can we write 14.444? So, now listen here. Till now we studied how can we change, how can we decimal and relational decimal. That means 4 by 10. Decimal into fraction. Fraction into decimal. Now 4 by 10. Now look here. 7 by 100. Fraction is given. How can we change into decimal? This is the fourth question. 7 by 100. Change into decimals. Change into decimal. 7 by 100. Yes, sir. This is the 7 means 7.0. Here, how many? 1, 2, 3. So you have to put 0.07. Listen carefully, all of you, please. 2 zeros means 2 decimal place. How many zeros are there? Here, 2 zeros, 100. We can keep here 7.0. 1, 2, finish. You can put one like this. So we can say this one that is equal to 0.07. This is 7.0 decimal. Decimal is whenever dividing by 1000, moving backward. When you are multiplying, jumping forward. Now listen here. 7 by 100 means 0.07. Tell me, what is 8 by 10? What is 18 by 100? What is 1 to 12 by 1000? It is easy. 0.8. Here 0.18. Here be careful. Do the answer. What is the answer of that? 12 point. Yes. 12 by. You can write 12. Then we need 1, 2, 3 place. Put here 1 more. That means 0.12. 0.012. That means 3 decimal 3 zeros. All of you please understand. Fraction to decimal, decimal to pen. More example you want? Okay. I am giving more example. Now example 4. 3 5 divided by 1000. 271 by 100. Okay, you want 17 by 1000. Not bad, good. Here 35, write 35. How many zeros are there? Put 3 places, 0.035. 1, 2, 3, 3 places. How many? That means 271 means 2.71, 2 decimal place. Here 17, 3 we need, put one more 0, 0.017. Correct, correct, correct. 3 are correct. Are you following or not? Fraction to decimal. Fraction to decimal. We need fraction to decimal. So you understood what is fraction and what is the relation between fraction and decimal. Any confusion? Are you following or not? Okay, fine. Now listen. Decimal to fraction. 0.01, 0.002, 3.75. All of you please do this one. And 10,257. That means I am giving the decimal here. 1.02. A, B, C, D. Tell me first what is the answer of this one. 0.01 means yes, sir, 2 decimal place. 1 by, don't I 0, 1 by 100. Yes, correct. Here, 3 decimal place is there. What you wrote? Yes, 2 by 1000. Correct. Now 3.7, right? That is 375. How many decimal place? 1? No. This is a whole number part. 2 decimal place. By 100, 2 zeros. Here, don't confuse. 10,257 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That means 10,000. Not 3 zeros, 4 zeros we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you start from here. What is 0.1? 1 by 10. 1 0, 1 decimal. 2 0, 2 decimals. 3 0, 3 decimals. 2 zeros, 2 decimal. 4 0, 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3. See decimal point, 4 decimal places are there. That is why for don't count this zero. That is 10,000, something like that. Okay, correct. You got 4 out of 4 or 5 out of 100% mark. You got. Understood? Tomorrow we will tell about introduce the percentage also. After that, addition, subtraction, and multiplication or division. We shall. Okay then. Bye. Have a nice day.